Well, Stafford got recruited by the BAPS people to build a temple here. They built it, and this took almost 1 decade. All the rocks were quarried, came out of the ground in Italy, shipped over to India to be cut by 30,000 cutters, shipped here in little small containers and put together in this amazing temple. There's not one nail, not one screw, not any glue, no caulk, just gravity and the love of God. This place is so special, and I'm thrilled to be their congressman in Washington, D.C.
I would welcome each and every one of them to come here because it truly is an extraordinary experience, both inside and out. It is welcoming, it is breathtaking, it is awe-inspiring, it is peaceful, and it is a great learning experience.
Well, I would not only encourage you, I would urge you to come by to see it, and then to have someone, and they have so many very knowledgeable and articulate people here to inform you about all of the various aspects and unique and very intricate aspects of this incredible facility. If you don't come, it's your loss. So I would certainly urge you to do it, and think it will be most worthwhile to you and something that you will always treasure in having seen.
To find out more about the Mandir, you can look on baps.org/Houston.
For Stafford METV, Rey Molano reporting.